Oh, I forgot. Yeah, we have split method. God damn it. Okay. Yeah, that's why I think we have a function that would split those, right? So yeah. Okay. Ah, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. It's gonna split those into an array, right? Yeah, okay, that's why that's that. Then we're going to track right along this. This is gonna be 0. And okay, why do we make it a null? Okay, I'm trying to understand why does it return to word. Okay. What's the test case again? Hi, Aurora and Jigar. Nice to meet you guys. Hi, do you face racism? Um, well, it was, I did, but thankfully it wasn't like physical, you know? Just some banter. I know that's still terrible, but it's not like to a point where people or other people argue or like harm me or my friends physically, but getting called at or something like that, that has happened. But what can you say, man? I mean, like, it is what it is, I guess. Okay, sorry, that's not good, I know, but it happens. But I don't know how to answer that, to be honest, but yes, I have. Ah, okay, I get it. Why they use the str and why they use the word? Because the word is for actually the count. It's supposed to be, I think this one is better to be the word count. And this is just like the separated. Yeah, okay, okay, okay. That should work, but let's test it first, I guess. Okay. Find longest word length. The quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog. And then we need to do the force be with you. And then we need to do Google do a barrel roll. And then another one. Otorhinolaryngology. Cool. Okay, let's try it. No. Which one is under? How is it undefined? How is it undefined? Did I typo it wrong or? As an Indian experience, isn't really honestly. It's yeah. I mean, it's more like I mean, like as Southeast Asian, we look how would I say? Yeah. I mean, like we look. How do I explain Southeast Asian? I mean, like we have the mixture of like Malay people, or like the Indonesian people, or like the Filipinos, Singaporean. We are, how do I say it? Like we look more similar. Like some of us don't have like the lightest skin, but our skin is also not the darkest. Um, we have like different type of hairs, like some are straight, some are curly, things like that. But it's more like you would be mistaken. I think for me and my friends, well, some of my friends look a bit more like I forgot west what North Asian, like similar to like the Chinese, Japanese, Korean, where they have like tiny eyes, and but us, but the okay, how never mind. The thing is, like, we just uh misidentified, I would say. It's more like that. Like, it's either people assume I'm uh Chinese, or people assume uh my race differently, but in a more uh yeah, the R word way. But I guess I haven't been to a point where like I have to fight or someone like physically attack me or something. So thank God. But yeah, What online server were you on? I mean, like at this point, every online server have some form of that, right? Oh God. Okay. This is okay. Why didn't it run? What did I do wrong here? Zero split. We tested this. It's gonna output these and the nuts. Oh my God. Programming server. Okay. I don't know, man. Like I mean, it's like a such a terrible thing, racism. But yeah, I guess it's gonna be very hard to do it. But I hope you're okay, man. I hope you don't get like physically attacked or something. I know verbal abuse or like racism online is still terrible, but I know this is gonna be sound terrible. But yeah, at least they don't like attack you or like assault you or like spit on you or something like that. But still, I know racism overall is still terrible and bad. And was it because something that you did, or they just start that out of nowhere, like saying slurs or arguing or like, you know, saying those derogatory, god damn it, how do you say it? Derogatory or like
Derogatory.
derogatory. Oh my god. I forgot English. Programming server. Okay, why this is not working? It's never scans it. It should be stirring. Okay, maybe without that. Okay, that is wrong. This is not what. Okay, no. It's almost. It's correct. It gets that ini. It's supposed to return a number, not the word. Okay, so this is a different. The way is already correct. Accent emotionality is a trigger word to them. Man, always right. It's always like that. Well, I hope you're you don't take it too hard too much, and I hope it doesn't really affect you in any way because again, the anonymity of internet, especially online servers with like fake emails, fake accounts, and everything, people just uh yeah, I don't know. People could just do whatever they want and think they uh could get away with it because you know they're on a mask, they're behind a screen, writing keyboards and things like that. But yeah, I hope you can find a better server. I know that maybe that server has like amazing other that is actually nice and you can learn a lot, but then there are a lot of racist people as well. But yeah, I hope you're okay. Well, you can join our server, even though I'm not entirely sure on what or how to make it more interesting in there because yeah, and I'm not really sure how to make them active. Like, should I make some of those either Twitter or LinkedIn posts so that we can share it there, and having like cheat sheets, having like books or something like that, and then from there we can like share, people learn together, something like that, and grow and actually make a community or something like that. But yeah, but I hope you're okay. Sorry, I'm just yapping too much. Need to go back to this. Okay, it should return the word. Okay, so it should return the word dot length. Yes. Okay, nice. Okay, it should work. There we go. Nice. Thank you, Stack Overflow from like 7 years ago. Oh boy, I know. Oh, The sign number should be 1 times. Come on, man. Okay, I don't know if the while would work that way, because I mean, like, it's just gonna run once, right? It's not gonna do that. Okay. Or we can try to use, I don't know, yeah, let's try this. I don't think it's gonna work this way, no? Right? That's just it. I don't think it's gonna... See? Okay. God damn it, I keep forgetting how to do this. Oh. Wait, what? That's what I did. Let result equals 1. Let I equals 1. I was number, I plus plus. Result equals that and it. Return result. I forgot to console log it. It's already correct. I forgot to console log it. I forgot to console log the damn thing. God damn it. Hello, Suhai. How are you? Okay, that should work. So, okay. Cool. Ah, sorry. It should be on result message. Sorry. Post to should equals to this, which is practically the same thing. There we go. Nice. So We can probably find a regex where if the left and right has like a, yeah. So first, uh, we're gonna split them, right? Because shouldn't true because so okay. So first of all, we're gonna do array dot split. I don't know if array dot split. Okay, if there is there split. Is there an array split? That's the thing. Array. Is there any split? No, it doesn't. Okay. Mm. How can we grab? Oh, wait. No, no, no. Okay, okay. Wait, wait, wait. No, we don't need that. Since these are array, let's try. Let's just say we have once, two. Okay, cool. So it's just gonna print that and that. And if we do this, it's gonna print the value of those, right? Okay, so what we want to do is first, okay, I'm gonna try to lowercase. To lowercase, does it exist? Oh, okay, it does. So what we can do is, first of all, okay, the hard part is we cannot directly check this equals to this. So how can we check if like one string is exactly the same? Hmm. But in this case, mutation should return true because all of the letters in line are present in alien. See, how can we make sure? Because we cannot do like that. No, we cannot do that. So maybe the filter? How can we find if you need index? No, it's just gonna return the index. Includes how can we add return step item at the index? I don't know either. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, how can we grab and make sure compare like ASCII? Okay. The thing is, they're not. Okay, this is another. Uh, we have a sort, right? Do we have a sort inside of array? Sort. Yes. Okay. To sorted. Okay. Can you like chain them? Okay. Oh, sorry. No, no, no. That's not how we're supposed to do it. Uh, okay, no, that doesn't do it. Okay. Can I do like a to string from array? Ah, okay. Yeah, okay, okay. It's possible. Okay, okay, okay. So what we can do is do it something like this. And then There we go. Okay, now from this we do split. Okay, no, doesn't work that way. Okay, it already becomes hello. Springs is hello. So what we can do right now? Why is split dot uh, split dot split doesn't work? Yeah, why this? So okay. Okay, this is okay. So we need to make it dot split like that, and then it should be like that. Nice. Okay. It, there has to be like a better solution to compare them. So my thought is that first we need to make both of these to lowercase and then change it to string and then split them into an array of characters. And then after, this is probably inefficient, but oh god, okay. You have to split them between the words and then you, uh, uh, so basically, okay, damn it, I'm really terrible at explaining. Okay. So now how can we make sure that okay, no, it doesn't work that way. It's gonna fail in this edge case here. Like, as long as this arrays of characters are inside of that character. Oh, wait. There's the includes one. Okay, wait. Includes. This is actually quite difficult. Because we cannot just this includes this, because sometimes the second one includes these third one as well. So to be honest, I don't know either. So I'm gonna try, yeah, using the method that I discover for some reason. There's only gonna be an array of 2 strings, right? Because that's just the constraint of it. So what we're gonna do right now first is, let's say we have this array hello. So what we're gonna do is let um, first equals to array 0. And we have first, second, and both we need to lowercase them. Can you chain them to, okay. Ooh, okay. This is gonna be, it's gonna be a bit kind of weird, but I don't mind experimenting. So we can chain, like, the first is to lowercase and then to string. Let's see if that works. Oh, it is. Okay, it does work. Maybe without the sort? Okay, let's try A, B, C, D, F. Okay, no, okay, that actually works. Okay. So we need to do put lowercase and then to string. And then how can we check it? And then we can do, I know we can just do it in one line. I think we can actually do two lowercase to string dot split and sort. I don't know if that's possible, but let's do that. Okay, wait, no. To string and then split. And then sort. Oh god, I'm not sure if this is like a right way to do it. I'm gonna do it anyways. Okay, no, it works. Okay. Okay, we can do that. But the thing is, we cannot just compare them. Oh, if this equals, if this equals, if this equals, because we need to check if the characters are there. Check if characters. Oh, okay, we can use the sum method. Okay. And then we can just make like a Okay, what is AI though? Can I use includes then if Can we do this? Okay, both arrays are, okay, no, it's not. That's the thing. Compare contents of two different, okay, so okay, we use the map function, but how can we, what does that mean? Okay, what the okay, what is this, bro? Isn't available? Damn, okay. Wow, okay. Let's see this explanation. Okay. This is the exact same problem we want to face, right? Okay, I still don't understand how does this work. But okay, let's try to implement it. So if we just used I think we don't need to do string. So just do lowercase, right? And for this we can just do that. Can you put a function instead? Okay, no, that's gonna complicate it, is it? Okay. The thing is I don't understand this. Okay. Okay, there's this video. Okay, thank you.
One. Imagine we're writing a Cypress test and we want to check that there is a small list and that list is completely included inside.
Oh my god, yeah, this is the exact same thing. Okay, thank you.
If we have all the countries and we want to check that the countries on the list are included, how can we do that? Well, these are just shy assertions. The simplest thing is to probably iterate over the list and check every country. So we use an array for each method and we expect countries to include, because this is a simple string, country. Okay, let's see if it fails. If we add USSR, then USSR is not on list on countries. There's another way that I kind of like myself. Instead of iterating over countries, we can compute the difference using low dash difference method.
Okay, this is...
And what we have to do, we pass a small list first and then the large list second. And we expect the difference, all the extra countries that are in this array but not in a large array, to be
The thing is, I'm not entirely sure. Have we done like arrays like that? I think we have, but I already forgot.
empty. Okay, so right now it's empty because every country right here is included. But if we again add extra country, then we get exactly all the extra countries in the error message. So these are two different ways of confirming that one array is completely inside another array.
I still don't understand it. Okay. Okay, this sorting into pointers one, it's better, but I'm not entirely sure how to use it as well. Using hash map. Okay, this one is like the fastest method, right? Using set. Okay. I'm gonna try this, but it's probably gonna be quite difficult, yeah. I guess we can do it. Okay, yeah, we try. Yeah, okay, with that to string. This is probably not the best. This is way too advanced. I think we haven't reached like set or like yeah, this data structure yet, but I'm gonna try either way. Okay. Okay, wow, okay. I need to understand this. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to explain this one by one, okay? Or let's just use I don't know, who should be our victim? Let's use Gemini. Let's see if they're much better today. Okay, this one is my my dumb interpretation. I think without this, there has to be like a much easier way to do it. Like we could just loop through the array dot zero. It's gonna probably print out the same, right? That ensures that A and R are the same letter, but then yeah, it sends it to string to arrays of individual character. The set one, I am interested. I'm intrigued. Like from the has hashet or set map. It's like a key value parallel, like where it can search very very fast. It's O of 1, but in this case it's O of m plus n. I don't know how or where is the calculation for that, but so it's yeah, I don't know. Oh, I don't know why is it OM plus n, especially for set. Anybody know? Okay. Instead of looking at the first array, it creates a set. Set only stores unique value. Check out that exists and set is extremely fast. Taking it off one time, it creates a quick lookup table full of letters. Now the function goes through the second string characters. It asks hashets. Do you have a letter H? That is no. The function basically give up and returns false. Okay. If the loop finishes without ever hitting return false, it means every single letter is okay. So this is actually the best method then to do it. If your input is alien line for string alien, and it's gonna be this, right? Because we split it, normalize it, then blah blah blah, and the second one is line. Is L in the set? Yes. Oh, okay. So this if has oh, because it doesn't look up. Oh, is this inside of the set? Yup. If this inside the set, yep. This inside the set, yep. This inside. Okay, then it's true. Yes. Okay. The order of letters doesn't matter, and repeating letters in the second string doesn't matter as long as the pantry. Yes. Yeah, but the thing is, okay, yeah, okay. Really, the spread operator is translating to array of characters more elegantly than split. Ah, okay. Ah, yeah, okay. The every method is a built-in all or nothing tester. It runs a function on every character in the arrays and true only if the function is true. From okay. Okay, but yeah, I can understand why sometimes this is hinders readability, because to be honest, I wouldn't get it at the first without this all of the explanation. But this one I can still understand because I read the explanation here. But even then, I still need to ask whether or how is it actually being implemented. This is actually getting really, really hard. Why couldn't I do that? Okay, I couldn't control enter. Why is that? Unable to what? 1 second. Well, that was an error. Okay, the next one is Chunky Monkey. Chunk array in groups. Okay, this is gonna be one of those super hard stuff. Is this like a, it's fine. What the fuck? Okay. How does okay? Okay, this is actually pretty fucking clever. Okay, how should we do it? Yeah. This is the exact same question that we have. Okay. For just the visitors right, that could come with a recursive function, but I don't like it because it's complicated and ugly. Business by adding two array wrappers. Okay, this is actually the what is balance? Holy, okay, this is actually complicated. Okay, how did he do the recursion? Holy, okay, yeah, I don't understand that. Okay, I think this is the exact same. Yes. Okay, this is just a different forum. Okay, this is probably gonna be the answer for that, right? Yeah, okay. Oh, it's a lead code. Of course, it's a lead code question.
Back and let's write some more neat code today. So today let's solve a problem. Number of ways to split array. And I'm not gonna lie, for a beginner like this problem, there are some like learnings that you can take away from it. I thought it was a little bit on the easy side, just in terms of like the acceptance rate. I saw the acceptance rate was like 50%, and I solved a different prefix sum problem that I thought was much more difficult than this one, which had like an 80% completion rate. So my takeaway is that these completion rates are kind of random, so I'm not really going to pay attention to them anymore. But to get into this problem, we're given an array of integers. There actually could be negative integers, and that's not really going to change the problem very much at all. Imagine we're given this as an input array. There is something called a split in this problem. The definition of it is basically splitting the
Hello? Sushi. Wait, I couldn't type. Hello, hello? Check, check. Hello? Jadi gym gak nih? Gym, are we going to the gym or not? Hello. Was it Bamar? Welcome. It's Okay, let's try this. In my mind, it was something like this, but I guess this, I forgot this. You can actually do that for the I++. Yeah, I forgot we can do that. Okay, yeah, it worked. Okay, thank you, the person that do this simply, because the other guy is kind of complicated. This one is actually pretty simple. Actually, I can understand this. Yeah, okay, this makes sense. Thank you. Not gonna lie, I thought I could finish all of this today, but I guess I couldn't. This is difficult. It's getting much more difficult. And I think it's just gonna be more difficulter, more difficult, sorry. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be fun, but I guess let's just end it for tonight. Oh, hello. I'm using it to brush up and relearn more about JS basics. So it's pretty good. Pretty good so far. And the practice and the learning and everything is pretty nice as well. So, and it's free. Ooh, I'm very excited about synchronous JavaScript when I use graphs and trees is coming, algorithm is coming, data structure is coming, recursion is there. So we might be able to complete some, but not all of them. I mean, we already completed like almost 270, so almost 300. We're 33% there, so it's pretty good. I think I'm gonna try to continue the other one and the loop quiz and everything, I guess, tomorrow, because this just practice is very difficult for me. Like if I didn't find those answers and explanation, I wouldn't be able to do it by myself. But yeah, fun. Nice way to learn. But yeah, I guess that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. for anybody that's currently watching. I hope you guys have a great week ahead. You know, another new week getting into, and it's already end of January, getting into February. So yeah. Oh boy, exciting, exciting, exciting indeed. Okay, hope everyone have a blessed day, amazing week ahead, and hope everyone could get a job. We will discuss sushi. What time?